So I'm in a 2015 Infiniti QX60, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So while the vehicle's off and the hood's open, right over here is where your oil cap is, and then your dipstick. So you pull your dipstick all the way out, and then you'd wipe it clean with a rag or a paper towel, and then stick it back in all the way, and then pull it out again. And now you would check for where the oil level is on the stick based on these little curved measurements. If it's below where the curves are, you're going to be low and want to add some. So stick this back in all the way, and then this is when you would remove your oil cap, and then make sure you're using the correct type of oil, and ideally the same conventional synthetic and manufactured brand you've been using. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it, but either straight from your quart jug or with a funnel. You'll just add as needed, and best not to try to overfill because that can cause issues too. But you fill up and screw this cap back on nice and tight, at which point I would turn the motor on for like 10-20 seconds to get the new oil to circulate. And at that point then I would repeat the first process we did with that dipstick by pulling it out, wiping it clean, sticking it back in, and pulling it out to check where the level's at. And don't do any of this in lieu of oil changes. Most vehicles, it's between like 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so, depending on the type of oil and the motor and the mileage. But to do your changes, typically you want to put the car on a slight lift so you can get to the oil pan where you pull your plug, drain out all the old oil, put any new filters in as needed, screw it all back in nice and tight. And then from the top here, you would add all the oil recommended for your particular type of motor. Screw this back on nice and tight, and at that point you should be able to start the car and be all set. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.